Hey everybody, wanted to do a quick little introduction on the plane I'm going to do for the egg plane group build. It's getting kind of late in the month already, and time's flying by, so I better get on it. So this is F4U Corsair. I picked this because it is blue and yellow, kind of go with the theme of supporting Ukraine with it. Just like all other egg plane builds, there's nothing in the box. So you got two halves, you got the wings, you got the propeller, you got a little bit of engine. There is really nothing to a cockpit. That's the cockpit. So this will pretty much be glued all together, and then probably hand paint the cockpit and the motor and stuff, and then paint the yellow on it, and then apply the decals. It's blue and yellow on there, but so that would be that. If I was a fortune teller and I knew what was going to actually happen, I would have built the one I did last year. This is the one that was on the aircraft carrier that keeps on cracking on me because it's 3D printed. This is one of the planes that they actually use in the Ukraine. This is actually geared for China, but this is a plane that would have been one that they use currently today. So, super quick. Might not even been a whole minute, but I do plan on building this. Other news, I guess, since I have you here, would be this. I'm going to actually build. It's like a little diorama. I got this off of Amazon. It was actually a birthday present. And then this piece actually goes on as the top. And then there's a front piece of it all destroyed. It goes on like that. And so what I'm going to do is build a little diorama. So you have that. I have the Leos, and Gundam Wing. I have him like that. And I want to have him off to the side. I have his gun moved and everything. That's what I have these crafted cracks back here for, is to airbrush them, and in the hopes that that turns out good. I don't know how soon I'll actually get onto that, so that'll be fine to introduce that to you now. And so until next time, I hope you guys have a great one. I'll talk to you then. Bye.